Okay, beginners, in order for us to become masters of the alphabet, we need to practice. So I'm going to show you how to do the first two lines correctly. I'm going to start my metronome, which we know keeps the steady beat. All right, we are going to start on this line. Follow my mouse. And 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B. Notice how I put a pause in between the two lines. Now you're going to use this video to practice on your own.